This video is all about how to withdraw money out of Binance by selling your cryptocurrency on Binance. Hi guys, this is Mosh. If you're new to the channel, I'm an amateur trader and investor, and this is a solution-based channel. I don't give you any BS, just straight facts. Now, before we start, I done a whole entire video of how to withdraw cryptocurrency out of Binance into Coinbase wallet. I'll link that video at the top and I'll leave it in the description so you can watch that. Today's video is about how to actually sell your cryptocurrency and move money out of Binance into your UK bank account. As highlighted in the news, the Financial Conduct Authority, also known as the FCA, banned Binance in the UK, therefore causing a lot of UK banks to ban Binance. So a lot of UK banks wouldn't allow you to deposit money into Binance and withdraw money back out. However, there has been a recent change in Binance. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, and I'm going to actually sell some of my cryptocurrency and show you guys step by step what you need to do if you want to sell your cryptocurrency and get money into your bank account. So the very first thing to do is log into your Binance app. Once you've done that, you go to your wallet. As you can see, I have a lot of ADA still in my Binance app and a lot of BitTorrent. I done a whole video on why I'm buying Cardano when it was less than $1. It's above $2 now. If you want to give that video a watch, I'll link up at the top. So the first thing you want to do is once you're in your wallet, you want to press withdraw. Okay. Now it says Euro and GBP. So if I click GBP, you can see it comes up with two methods. However, one is banned, the faster payments. Faster payments is basically a bank transfer from Binance to UK bank. That is actually banned, but you can do a bank card transfer. So it's transferred to your bank account. So if I click that, you can see I've actually got no GBP to actually transfer, withdraw out. So the first thing I need to do is actually sell my cryptocurrency. So what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to sell some ADA for you guys to show you exactly step by step what you need to do. So you press the middle button, you go to sell, and I've got ADA, which is Cardano, and it's going to GBP. So let's say, I don't know, I want to sell 25 ADA. Once I put on how much ADA I want to sell, I'm going to press sell ADA, and it says that should give me about £52. Okay, so I've confirmed. Confirm. It's processing, and it normally takes a couple of seconds to process. All right, so the sale is confirmed. Now, if I go to view wallet, you can see I've got GBP now. So the next step is actually withdraw that GBP, the Great British Pound, into my UK bank account. So the next thing I'm going to do is press withdraw. It's going to fiat currency, it's the Great British Pound. And the fast payments is not available. The bank card method is. The only disadvantage doing the bank card is you have that 1% fee. Whereas a faster payments, it was there was no fees for that. So obviously I've got £52.21. So I'm going to withdraw out £52.21. Okay. You can see the transaction fee is 52 pence. Press confirm, continue. And it's got my card details, and it says it's within 3 business days, but generally it's quite quick. I did do £100 earlier, just to see if it actually works and test it out. Press confirm. All right, then what you need to do is I need to get my code from my email and my phone. The security verification is they email me a code on my email and they send me a text message to my phone. I've done both, put the code in, submit. And it says withdraw order submitted. And it says up to 3 days, but generally they're quite quick. Now, if I show you guys my notification, I actually withdrew £100 out just to test the system. And you can see, oh look, it's already there actually. So it goes in really, really quickly. I literally just done it. And HSB says, give me a notification saying £51.69 was transferred into my account. And earlier on in the morning, I'd done £100 minus the fees, and it is pretty rapid. Now, if you're still not comfortable using Binance and you're gonna move everything to Coinbase, do go watch that video of mine of how to withdraw crypto from Binance into Coinbase. And remember, if you want $10 worth of free Bitcoin, when you open up a Coinbase account, all you have to do is use my link in the box below, make a minimum of $100 transaction on any cryptocurrency, and you get $10 worth of Bitcoin completely free. So definitely go do that. I'll also appreciate a like and a sub on this video, as it does help me out and pushes me up on the rankings as well, so more people can find me.